Chris.
Hey, my name's Marley.
Hi, I'm Marcus.
Hi, my name's Jason.
We're Tin Smith.
Don't believe who are we? Can you tell them?
Who are we?
Where?
How's that?
Tinsmith are an alternative rock band that formed in Sydney in 2016. We caught up with them to find the ins and outs of being in a band, as well as the state of Sydney's challenging music scene.
Performing live, if you have like a great crowd, it completely changes how we play. So playing live, where people actually come and actually want to hear you and enjoy you, and that's such a humbling feeling. It's just, yeah, it's indescribable sometimes.
In the lead up to their first album's release later this year, we asked lead singer-songwriter Chris about his songwriting process and the progression of their album.
If I'm feeling strongly about something, generally my first thing that I'll do is write.
Most of it's on taxes and like general
Yeah, all
legislation,
really emotional topics.
mergers and acquisitions.
Often if I try to go camping and that kind of thing a fair bit. Often when I'm camping, I write a lot because I guess there's no distractions out there and that kind of thing. I'll start with writing poetry or a couple lines of lyrics, and generally I've got that finished before I start any music, just because I find it easier to do it that way around. If I've got a song already and I try to put lyrics over it, they always end up really bad. Like there's a lot of like doo-doo-doos and la-la. If you write a line that goes really long compared to the rest of the lines in the lyric, you can then make that part of the music change, and it's a bit more dynamic, I find that way. Yeah, we're recording demos at the moment for an album, which will be done as soon as we can get it done. We have a working title, it's Warm Regards.
At the end of the day, the way the balance of the band is right now, we're in a good space where we're not afraid to just work together, and whatever happens out of that, come what may, it's an acceptable result. Having that new music around, knowing your roles,
With an album yet to be released and the struggle to find recognition within the Sydney music scene, we asked Tinsmith about where they saw themselves in the near future.
I play music full-time for a living anyway, doing weddings and boring kind of covers shows. And for me that's pretty sustainable. I can do whatever else I want. Alongside of that, I've got a lot of other projects going. I'm starting a venue. I work at a recording studio. So everything I do is kind of based around music, so I can't see myself doing anything else really.
Ideally, we'd be playing shows for a living and not starving to death. I think where we're at now, there's quite a bit that's up to fate and hard work. But, I think we all have this childhood fantasy of playing stadiums and filling out festivals. And of course, if they came our way, I would embrace it with open arms. But ideally, we would just be playing for a living, not starving. People would like what we're doing. I don't need to be a millionaire when I do it. Just I want to feel comfortable playing my music and then being able to enjoy my life at the same time as well.
In the future, I just kind of want to be that bass player that plays with everyone that needs me. That's kind of always been me, but more so like maybe wedding gigs, like corporate events. Just like if I can do it for a living, that'd be my goal.
I don't know. Literally no clue, because I'm in my 4th year of uni and questioning everything. I'm studying teaching, so I could be a teacher. Tinsmith could also be something. Could be overseas, could be in Sydney. I really don't know. As long as I'm not at Officeworks, and I'll go on the record saying that, as long as I'm not at Officeworks in 2 years, I'm doing well.